going on, guys? Tony's Classics, another episode here on YouTube and YouTube's eyes only. So if you guys have been following the Instagram, last time we drove this car, we took it drifting, and it was winter drifting. So we had so much fun. There's a video on my channel if you guys want to check it out. But I haven't driven it since I came back. I know I left it in the garage. I went to Mexico, I came back, having some fun, and then I drove it like a couple miles down the road. And we started smoking. The brakes just completely started smoking, so I'm pretty sure they're seized. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the wheels off so we can get a closer look of actually what's happening underneath. So bear with me, let me get my tools set up. You guys get comfortable, and let's make this happen. So check this out. All right, first I gotta pop the wheels off, first things first. And I have this set of brake pads that I haven't touched. So I'm curious if maybe it's the brake pads that are like done and not the caliper. We got a delivery guy here. I just got a new follower. Okay, that fuck is tighty here. Righty tighty. And I'm right back. ASAP. On my life tat. Fuck. It's a lot more work than I thought it was gonna be. Alright, so I'm gonna jack it up, pull the wheel off, and see what we're dealing with. Alright. Yeah, you can just take it off right here. Yeah. They already look toast. My drill's inside and I'm too lazy to go get it. You can also kind of see what's going on with our strut. This is the side that collapsed. So we can get to be like, what the fuck is going on, you know? I've seen a lot of like oil / grease in there. I don't think it's supposed to be that color. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that right now. Hey chat, what do you think? You can see where it got stuck. Shit is rusty, eh? Huh. I'm sure the other side looks like that too. That's a lot of grease on there too. Fuck. I don't even want to take it off. I try and loosen those, and because I don't want to put new brake pads on there yet, you know? Though. What do you guys think? I guess that means new rotors and pads then, eh? But like, fuck, come on, you know? It's not that bad. Let me see what the other side looks like. The other side looks the same too. Damn. So let me know what you guys think. I'm not really a mechanic. But I don't think it's supposed to be red like that. I'll tell you that right now. I don't want to take the caliper off. I don't want to take the caliper off. Let me see if I have a tool that I can just maybe pop it off quick. I don't even know if the calipers I have are for the front. I don't remember. That looks pretty close. These ones have fucking stuff. Oh fuck, I need a 14. Yep, I don't have a 14 mil. We gotta try and take it off with the 15 or we just don't do anything. I'm gonna try and take it off with the 15 first. Nope, I give up. That's enough mechanic for one day. Shit's going back on. We're gonna test drive it first to see if it's just from the fucking heat, or maybe because I didn't drive it for too long, but I'm putting the shit back on. Ugh. Need to get my summers back. Off in the first place. Now let me put the car down, let me torque it. And let's test drive. Let's go for a test drive. All right. Let's hope it turns on first try. Stupid fuck. It did not turn on first try. Means we gotta fucking boost it quick. Alright, so give me a second while I use this fucking little Type S booster. Boost it up. Oh, what a beauty. You just fucking put these things on. You click a button here and the thing lights up. You run in the car. Oh, there we go. Fuck, disconnected. You stupid. Second time's the charm. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to drive it down the hill because it's gonna roll. Okay, let me drive it down with the hood open. Remove that thing. Because I don't want to use my handbrake because that shit gets sticky. So I want to figure out if it's like my brakes or it's the hand or if it's like something else. starting to think it's not the calipers, and it's actually the rotors and pads being fucking stuck. Like, shut the fuck up, you stupid machine. See how annoyed I easily get? So what I'm gonna do is drive it up and down this road and see if I can get that same fucking issue while I'm out of gas too. Yeah, baby. So far, brakes seem to be okay. They're not sticking. I don't want to risk it driving far. That's the issue. Okay. Seems to be okay. Felt a little weird. Sorry, that was a full brake slam. I'm gonna do it one more time. Alright, one more time. Oh shit, that was a little too hard. Okay, let me turn this shit around. We'll test it, we'll check it out after if they actually got stuck. It passed. Passed the brake slamming test. Now let's go outside and see if like there's like a smell or anything. Should I run over the fucking other one? Okay, good. Start smelling. I don't know. I don't smell burning brakes. Maybe they were just like stuck. Do you guys still think I should change my... I don't even think I should change my calipers at this point. Because I slammed the brakes and it was fine. I think it was literally just the rotor and pads like getting stuck with like the rust and heat. I need to test it out some more and drive it again. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate you tuning into this video. It's kind of what I hoped in a way, because I didn't actually want to change anything. I just wanted to see it for my own eyes and test it out. So we let it cool down from yesterday because it was smoking yesterday. We saw the amount of rust on there, but it handled okay, kinda, to be honest. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Subscribe to kind of see how this turns out. I think we could drive it still. I'm down, but only in the evening time. All right, guys, Tony's Classic signing out. Cheers, and I hope you had a good time. Damn.